In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ebook to products in Squarespace. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to list your ebook so customers can purchase it and instantly receive a file download. If you already have your ebook file ready and a short description written, this will be quick. Start by heading to your site's dashboard and opening Products and Services. This is your central place for managing anything you sell. Once you're there, choose Products. You'll see a list of everything you've added so far, which is helpful for keeping track of what's live and what's still in progress. If this is your first digital product, don't worry, this process is the same every time. So once you learn it, you can repeat it for future ebooks. Next, click Add Product at the top right. When the product type options appear, select Download. This is the option made for digital goods, like ebooks, worksheets, or templates. Choosing Download tells Squarespace to deliver a file link to your customer after purchase, instead of asking for shipping details. Now, enter the details of your ebook. Start with the name. Keep it clear and memorable, so it's easy for shoppers to recognize. For the description, give a concise overview of what the ebook covers, who it's for, and the main results readers can expect. Think of it as your elevator pitch. If you have a short excerpt or a table of contents, you can include a few highlights to build interest without overwhelming the page. Upload the download file. Make sure you choose the finalized version of your ebook, no draft watermarks and no track changes. Common formats like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI work well. Pick the one your readers will expect. Before you upload, it's a good idea to open the file and check that links work, images look crisp, and the file size is reasonable so it downloads quickly. If your file is large, consider optimizing images to reduce the size without losing quality. Set the pricing. Choose a number that reflects the value of the content and feels right for your audience. You can always adjust it later if you're testing different price points. If you plan to run occasional promotions, keep that in mind when choosing your standard price. And that's it. By selecting Download and filling in the name, description, file, and price, you've created a clean, ready-to-sell ebook product in Squarespace. Save your work and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your ebook with your audience.